This is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Google as default web browser on Mac. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Users have a variety of internet browser to choose from that they can use to complete their various online tasks. Most computers include a default browser that the manufacturer may believe to work best with the operating system, but user may not always enjoy using the particular browser. Learning how to change the default browser may create improved experience for users. And in this video, I will show you how to set Google as your default browser on MacBook. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our system preferences. Now you can go to General, click on General, and in here you'll find System Default Web Browser. You can just click on the here, and you'll find there is an option Google Chrome. You can just click on Google Chrome. So now you have set Google Chrome as the web browser, default web browser on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to set Google as your default web browser on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.